it's Sparkle here from Fat Delicious Crafts, and today we're making this DIY Poppet Fidget strawberry. So if you don't want to make a strawberry, you don't have to, honestly. And I think that just this poppet thing itself is already a good poppet. So let's get started. Who's excited? First up, you'll take a little, I know this is a gum pack. It's an Eclipse gum pack, but you can really use any gum pack, and I don't know if there's candies out there that are like popping things, but whatever you find that kind of pops. So then I'm just gonna grab my scissors, and you see how there's only one popping thing over here? I'm gonna cut that out. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut that part off. So to paint my poppet, I'm going to be using a red acrylic paint pen to make the strawberry. But if you don't have acrylic paint pens, you can always use regular acrylic paint. But I'm gonna try this acrylic paint pen. So I'm just gonna get it a little bit pumped up, and you can see there's a lot of paint coming out of that. So I'm just gonna start painting this, and it's probably gonna take a couple coats. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. I love the red color, and I even painted it on the back to fill in the gaps. So I'm gonna let this dry and then go in with a paintbrush to do the littler details. Then you're gonna grab any cardboard box you want. I'm using a cereal one because it's not too thick and not too thin. So what I'm going to do is first cut out one face of the cardboard box. So be careful at this step because scissors are dangerous. I cut out two pieces on my cereal box so I can have the front and back of my poppet. So I'm just gonna take one piece and draw out my strawberry. My strawberry template is complete for the front of our strawberry. Now I'll repeat the same exact steps on this cardboard, and what you might want to do is cut this strawberry out and then trace it onto this piece of cardboard. Both of my templates are done. So what I'm going to do is take the front one, which has the trace out of our gum pack on it, take a knife, like this one, a carving knife. Parents, be sure to assist your children and be sure to use a cutting board underneath. My two templates are ready. Now I'm gonna start painting them with some red paint. My red paint on both of my templates, so I am going to go ahead and start my green paint. Look amazing. I can't wait to start painting the yellow dots on them. Look how adorable my strawberry fidgets are looking! Now I'm going to flip over the front strawberry template and put a hot glue all around the border of our fidget. Oh my god, you guys! This Poppet Fidget is looking real. It looks like a real life strawberry. And for the moment of suspense, let's try to pop it. POPIT honestly looks better than any POPIT sold in any store. I mean, I don't think there is a strawberry POPIT, and even if there is, it couldn't be this detailed and pretty.